WordPress for beginners overview. In this lesson, we're going to be looking just a tip of the iceberg for what WordPress is for those people that are just getting started. And I'm not going to cover everything in this lesson, but what I want you to do is just to scratch the surface so that you can understand the process of building a website with WordPress. And let's get into it. I guess you are excited as I am, and you have actually introduced yourself in the community, and you have learned how to take some screenshots and video recordings of your computer screen so that you can give you feedback. So moving forward, what you will learn in this course, you're going to learn how to build websites with WordPress. That's the entire scope of this course, in short, I must say. And you will learn the practical knowledge in setting up domaining and hosting the accounts that are essential for having a website run. You're going to learn that. You learn how to install WordPress. And some of you may wonder, what is it installing WordPress? Don't worry, these are all demonstrated lessons that will help you to do that. So you are going to be able to understand the WordPress dashboard. So how WordPress works is that there is the front part that the person who is visiting your website sees, and then there is the dashboard, which is that you're going to be spending a lot of time working in the background so that you can create what people will see. You will be able to understand that. And so what is WordPress? Some people may ask. According to my research, about 40% of websites that you see online, most of them, they are built with WordPress. And what it simply means is that there is a number of businesses or a number of people that have chosen WordPress to be their building tool. And it is a CMS management system. So when we're talking of CMS management system, we're talking of content management aspect. So there is a static website whereby a website does not really function in terms of dynamically, okay? But when you're looking at WordPress, it's easy. A very good example that I can give you in terms of content management system, probably you want to create a website where you post articles, and each article actually stays there. If someone comes to leave a comment, that comment automatically shows on your website. So that's the content management system aspect. So from that perspective, just understand that you can create any kind of website that you want with WordPress. However, WordPress has got two types actually. There is one which is called WordPress.com. So with WordPress.com, you have hosted version, you host on your behalf, but you have limited control in terms of features or imaginations that you may want to do, compared to another that is called WordPress.org. This is a self-hosted, and you have full control over your website. When you're talking of full control, you can back up your website, you can make changes to your website anyhow you want, you can upgrade website to make it feel and look the way you want. So in this course, we are going to be focusing more on this one, because we need to have more flexibility, and this training is going to cater for different people that are learning from us. Okay, let me just go back to my slides. Okay, I don't know what happened there. I'm just going to go back to my slides here. Okay, so why choose WordPress? Like I said earlier on, WordPress powers over 40% of websites online. And another point is that WordPress is easy to use. It may seem complicated, especially when you're getting started, but it's actually easy to use. And when you're looking at community support, just go and type any questions that you may want about WordPress online. You can get thousands and thousands of videos and resources that can help you to support your queries. And customizability, when you're looking at customizability, imagine the kind of website that you need to create. Any kind of imagination, you can create that website. Let's say you are a photographer, you a dancer, you want to create an online school, you want to create an online course, you want to create a support system for your business, you just want to write articles, you can customize it to any anyhow, any style, any functionality that you want. So that's about it in this overview. I just want you to go ahead and do more research again on WordPress online, and I can't wait to see you on the next lesson so that we can get our hands on. Now it's time to make sure that we get ready for the next phase that's coming, and it's going to be exciting. I can't wait to see what you can create, and thank you so much.